Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create groups in IONOS Mail Business Mailbox. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS webmail dashboard, come to the top right and click on this gear cog to access settings, and then click here on all settings. Now here from the left hand panel I want you to scroll down until you see groups right here. Okay, I want you to click on groups, and then I want you to click here on create new group, and you just go ahead and enter your desired group name. So I'll just name this group 1. Okay, and then you enter the desired members in the username field. So I'll enter this one right here, and then all you need to do to create the group, you click here on create. As you can see right here, this group has been created. It has 1 member, and I can close this now. And that is how to create groups in IONOS Mail Business Mailbox.